Hello friends, welcome back to the lectures. This is CA Rahul Ranka here. In this video, we are going to analyze the CS executive tax paper. The entire tax paper consists of 100 questions, 50 questions from direct taxes, also called as income tax, and another 50 questions from indirect tax consisting of A, GST and B, custom law. The entire paper is MCQ based. The right answer will give you 1 mark and the wrong answer will take away 0.25. So we can say there is a negative marking also. Out of my years of experience into teaching as well as analyzing the past examination paper, I have done some number crunching to get you as to which chapter you should be focusing in direct taxes as well as indirect taxes. This is very important because your entire tax law is very vast and it would be very difficult to revise each and every section, each and every provision, not only revise, also memorize. And therefore, this video is only a help which I tried providing to you so that your work becomes a little sorted out. But I would like to give a disclaimer. This is only my analysis based on the last examination as well as my teaching experience. This can only be taken as a guidance rather than any kind of instruction. The institute always wants to give surprises to the students, so no wonder if you get any surprises and maybe a lot of questions could be asked from areas which were not considered to be important. So our job is to prepare everything, but at the same time focus on some important areas. I will take you through the chapter wise weightage of all the chapters in your tax laws, be it your income tax, GST. But I need one favor from you. With all the efforts which I have put in, I just ask one thing. If you really appreciate the efforts, if you have liked the video, and if you feel such videos needs to be released more often, I request you to appreciate by subscribing to my YouTube channel, following me on Instagram, sending me friend request on Facebook, and spreading this video to all the students who are your friends who are doing CS. If all this could be done, my efforts will be paid off. So I humbly request you to share this video among all your friends, your groups, your WhatsApp group, Facebook, and help me in coming out with more such videos. Analysis of tax paper of CS Executive. Tax laws 100 questions, 100 marks. You have income tax 50 questions. You have GST 45 questions. And you have custom law 5 questions. So as you can see in the chart there, CS Executive Tax Law, custom law is only 5%, 5 marks only, and income tax 50 marks, and your GST will be carrying 45 marks. Now, income tax weightage in CS Executive 50 marks, so your income tax will be for 50 marks, there will be 50 questions asked in your examination. The introduction part will be 2 marks. The residential status will have 4 questions. Exempted income will have 0 questions. Salaries 4 questions. House property 3 questions. Profits and gains from business 9 questions. Capital gains 4 questions. Income from other sources, clubbing of income 2 questions each. Set off and carry forward 1 question. Chapter 6A deduction 2 questions. Computation of income 3. Charitable trust, political party, NRI 2 questions. Advanced TDS, TCS 4 questions. Income tax returns, self-assessment tax 1 question. Assessment procedure 4 questions. Appeals, revision and penalties 3 questions. The rows which are marked red are considered to be the most important chapters here. the residential status, the salaries, PGBP, capital gain, advance tax TDS TCS, assessment procedures, appeals, revision and penalties. These are considered to be the most important chapters in income tax. The rows which are the chapters which are marked in light orange are those chapters which are moderately important, like your income from house property and computation of income. The rest of all the chapters will give you 1 or 2 questions each. So there the focus has to be slightly less. So you can see this here. Weightage of marks for income tax 50 marks, introduction, residential status, exempted income nil, salaries, all that. And if you see, the highest weightage is from PGBP, 9 questions. So I request you to go focus more on the areas which are marked as red. Then you have GST. In GST there is introduction to GST, from where you will get 5 questions. The introduction deals with everything related to the basic of GST, GST Council, the Constitution, etc. Then you have supply under GST, 3 questions. The charge of GST, 3 questions. Place of supply, 3 questions. Time of supply, 1. Value of supply, 3. Input tax credit, 7 questions. Composition scheme, 2. Registration, 7. Invoice, debit note, credit note, 3. Accounts audit, e-way bill, 2. Payment refund, 2. GST return, 1. Compensation cess, 1. And miscellaneous topics like advance ruling, penalty, etc. 2 questions. So here there are 3 questions which are 3 chapters, there are 3 chapters which are hugely important. The introduction part, the ITC and the registration. These 3 chapters will give you 19 questions out of 45. And the chapters or the rows which are marked in light orange, like supply, 3 questions, charge of GST, 3, place of supply, value of supply, 3 questions each. These are considered to be moderately important, and all the rest of the chapters will be not that important at all, but you still have to prepare for that also. So you can see here the analysis here. The most important chapters would be will be input tax credit, registration and the introduction to GST. So what about custom law? Now custom law is a very vast area, but in your CS executive the weightage is around 5 marks. I want to caution you here, this 5 marks of weightage of custom law is not as prescribed by ICSI. It is my analysis. So there is nowhere the institute says that 5 marks is the weightage of custom law. It's my analysis. Now that 5 marks could be from anywhere. The entire custom law is very vast. Any question can be asked from anywhere, but because the weightage is not too much, you just need to focus on important areas as discussed by me in the classroom. With that, I end this session. Thank you so much. This is CA Rahul Ranka.